This is a brand new 2013 Mercedes-Benz S550. This four-door sedan has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 4.6-liter V8, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a sunroof, active ventilated front seats, XM satellite radio, an air suspension, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, cornering lights, soft closed doors, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a wood and leather wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, rear mounted side airbags, latch ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto dimming rear view mirror, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.